2021, the Sri Lankan national team. In the past, Swarnalata, India won the gold in 2007, but then in 2013 and 2018, Sri Lanka won the gold, beating India to a silver in both. So look at Sri Lanka. They are going to be strong. Who's going to start for them? For Sri Lanka, it will be Nethara UH. For India, it will be EP Abhiram, 400 meters specialist. They now off here. The first of the 400 meters with Abhiram there. The Sri Lankans looking strong at the back straight. This is where the others will have to do that extra bit. Surely the Sri Lankan Swarnalata is looking much better than some of the others in the fray. They are a wonderful 4x400 over the last 25-30 years.
And now in the lane 5 we can expect the Indian at the home straight. Small gap, just it's not impossible for the Indian to overcome, but still there are 3 more positions to take the lead.
So the first baton exchange was taken by the Indian, handing it over to Ankul. For Sri Lanka, it's been Shashinta Silva. This is a close battle between Shashinta Silva and Ankul, the two of them. They will now come into the inside. Now watch them coming into the inside, slowly but surely. The others are falling way back. It's Sri Lanka and India. This is the second of the 400 meters runners at the 200. Oh, they're looking at over each other's heels. This is going to be a cracker of an event, the 4x400 for men.
And again at the home straight, a lot of close battle between these two countries, Ankul and Shashantile.
So picking up now the third of the legs is Kurkula for Sri Lanka. He was slightly slow, but he's picked up the lead now. For India, it is Kumar Bhanot. That lead of approximately 5 or 6 meters. He seems to be the best runner out here. He's grimacing out there. Bhanot is looking strong. The others at the back, the Maldives, Bangladesh and Pakistan are lagging behind. But look at the Sri Lankan. The third of them, Kirulu Vajat. They had a wonderful baton exchange by the first two of them. The Indian now in a bit of pressure with Kumar Bhanot. Kirulu Vijat of Sri Lanka having the edge of virtually about 15 odd meters. Is that going to be the difficult stretch for the Indians? They are now picking it up. They go on from here. The last of them for Sri Lanka, Rajakaruna. For India, it is Jai Kumar. Does he have the energy, the Indian? He's looking strong out there. The Sri Lankans under pressure and they are on the back straight. To the Sri Lankans, that distance of virtually 20 meters is perhaps going to stand him in good stead. Jai Kumar putting in his very best out there. Lot of ground for him to cover. On the 200 meters bend, he now takes the bend perfectly. Sri Lanka for sure, Swarnalata will take it away. Oh, look at Jai Kumar there. Look at him pushing himself. This is a great battle between the two of them. But that lead, Swarnalata, which the number 3, Kirulu had got for them, is going to get Sri Lanka the gold. They get the gold out here. Yes, they get the gold. He finishes out here. And Sri Lanka take the gold. India take the silver. But what a comeback by the Sri Lankans after the two Indians. That was Abhiram and Ankul did well for the Indians.
Yes, the backlog in the second lap, the damage done to the Indians. They could not come back immediately. There the damage done to the Indian relay team here in 4x400 meters relay, that they are in the trouble. To cover the gap, the Sri Lankans already in the lead. It's impossible to cut down the gap for the Indians in the third lap. That's what Sri Lankan take in the gold and Indians finished second.
Now this is the second leg where the two Indians, and the third leg correction where the Indians and the Sri Lankan here, this is the place. Now this is the place where Kirulu of Sri Lanka decided to go on his own. The Indians looking very strong. The gap kept on getting widened. Here it keeps on getting widened out here. It's now about 7 meters. That 7 meters is going to become about 10 meters. And the 10 meters is going to become about 15 meters. And that, I think, in the ultimate analysis was the difference between Sri Lanka and India. Number 4 for sure had everything on a platter for him. हाथ में दिया था उसके, सोने की थाली थी. And this is where it all finished with Sri Lanka 309.27. Look at the record, earlier record. Sri Lanka 308.21. So their record stands 309.27. India 311.14. And Bangladesh take the bronze 321.50.
Coming the next event, women's 1500 meters finals. Sorry, pardon me. It's women's 4 into 400 meters relay.
Maldives is the second of the teams. They are in lane 6. The positions, the way the team come, they first start with the third and then to the seventh. Likewise, Bangladesh to the far right. So there you are, Bangladesh in 3, Sri Lanka in 4.